How to update Google Play Store. Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to update the Google Play Store so that you can always get the latest features, better security and fewer bugs. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by launching the Google Play Store on an Android device and then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Once we tap on it, what we need to do is we need to just go over, scroll down, look out for settings and open it up. And inside settings, expand the option called about, the very last option. And here, if an update is available, you can easily find an option called update Play Store. You can just go and tap on it. And when you do, it should start updating. And if not, you will be seeing the option saying that Play Store is up to date. You do not need any more updates. But sometimes updates do not show. So here's how you can fix it. You can hold the Google Play Store, go to their info, and then within there just go and look out for storage, and inside storage look out for clear cache, and then now you can reopen the Play Store and then check once again. And while doing so, make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can restart your phone if needed, and that's it. The Play Store usually updates automatically in the background, so you rarely need to do this manually. But this is how we update the Google Play Store on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.